Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad oxygen sensor and it's time to replace it? The purpose of the oxygen sensor is to monitor the amount of unburned air in the exhaust system. By monitoring the amount of unburned air in the exhaust system, the computer can use the data to help adjust air and fuel ratio to make the engine run more efficient. There are a lot of reasons why oxygen sensors start to become lazy and they start to send poor data to the computer where it will affect air and fuel ratio. The number one reason why oxygen sensors start to become lazy or even fail is going to be due to black soot and carbon buildup on the oxygen sensor. The second reason why your oxygen sensor is not working properly is because maybe there's an issue with your exhaust system. For example, if the exhaust manifold is cracked, or the gasket becomes bad, or the flange becomes bad, there will be an exhaust leak. And if there's an exhaust leak, the oxygen sensor cannot get a proper reading of the amount of unburned oxygen in the exhaust system. Therefore, the oxygen sensor is going to send incorrect data to the computer. The next most common reason is going to be damage. If you're getting oxygen sensor cold, make sure to inspect the wires because it is very easy for these wires to become damaged. For example, if you run over something on the road and that road objects impact the oxygen sensor wire, it can cause it to rip open, and this can cause an open in the circuit and possibly a short when the wires start to touch each other. The next reason is going to be your wire is dangling. If your wire is not mounted properly or it starts to unmount for some reason, maybe you did a repair and you forgot to mount the oxygen sensor back properly, the wire can rub against the exhaust system, on the exhaust manifold, or on the catalytic converter, and the wire can burn off, again causing an open and a short. The next reason is going to be a very rusted exhaust manifold. If the exhaust manifold is extremely rusted, the threads can start to lose its ability to hold on to the oxygen sensor. And if your exhaust system is clogged or plugged up, this can actually cause the oxygen sensor to blow right out. So by now, you should realize that any contaminants that get onto the oxygen sensor is going to cause it to fail prematurely. So the next most common reason why your oxygen sensor failed is going to be caused by coolant leaks. If you have a blown head gasket or cracked engine block or cracked cylinder head, it's going to cause coolant to leak inside the exhaust system, and it's going to go all over the oxygen sensor and again cause it to fail prematurely. If you try fixing your head gasket using a head gasket sealer, just to let you know that this chemical inside again can go all over the oxygen sensor and cause it to fail. The next reason why your oxygen sensor failed is due to an engine misfire. If you have too much raw fuel entering inside the exhaust system caused by an engine misfire, again, contaminants will cause the oxygen sensor to fail. So make sure to check for leaky fuel injectors, make sure your spark plug is working properly, make sure your ignition coil is working properly, and so on. The next reason why your oxygen sensor failed is due to engine oil. If engine oil is finding its way inside the exhaust system caused by bad piston rings or worn cylinder walls or very bad valve stem seal, again, contaminants will cause this oxygen sensor to fail prematurely. Can silicone cause your oxygen sensor to fail? Well, it says it right there. Sensor safe RTV silicone. I guess this one is debatable because I have never encountered a silicone causing an oxygen sensor to fail, but I guess it's a possibility if the manufacturer have that warning. Here are the reasons why you should check for a bad oxygen sensor. Number one is you're getting oxygen sensor cold. Number two is you're experiencing poor fuel economy. Number three is your engine is running poorly or running sluggish. Number four is your engine is running rich and you see black soot coming out of the exhaust. Number five is your engine is idling rough. And number six is the exhaust fume smells like rotten eggs. I hope you found this lesson useful and subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.